na naririnig nyo to. So, I hope kayo na ang mag-judge, guys. Mic test 1, 2, 3. Mic test 1, 2, 3. DJ Kadze. Hi guys! Thankyou here. Welcome back to this channel. So today, meron na naman tayong i-review, product review. And this time, hindi siya related sa makeup, but then related to us, YouTuber or vlogger. Okay, so meron tayong i-review na tadang! Okay, na-unbox ko na siya. Ilalagay ko na lang dito. I-insert ko. So, ito siya guys. Upon opening this one, meron siyang box. And then, inside the box, oh, ganun. Unboxing. So, this one pala guys is the Boya lavalier microphone and micro cravate. So, ito siya. As you open the box, charot. As you open the box, meron siyang nakikita na pouch. Meron, first is the manual, warranty card, and then the pouch itself na nandun yung product, and then meron din siyang yung clip, extra na, hindi ko alam kung ano to, para sa sound yata to, yung malaki. Merong foam sa microphone itself, the clip, and the wire. Ang haba-haba ng wire guys, at merong battery. And ito na siya guys, na ko na siya, ko na ba, as a whole na siya. Ang haba, ilang inches ba tong wire na to? So, merong specification dito. It features clip-on mic for smartphones, DSLR, camcorders, audio recorders, PC, and etc. Omnidirectional condenser microphone. High quality condenser is ideal for videos. Low handling noise includes lapel clip, LR4 for battery, foam windscreen, 1/4 adapter, 1/4 pala yun. So, electric condenser, omnidirectional. Yung wire niya is haba. Ano ba to? Saan ko ba to makikita ang haba? Basta, ang haba-haba ng wire niya, guys. Hindi ko makita kung ano. So, itatry natin to. Ganito siya, guys. Super, ang haba talaga. Oh, tingnan nyo. Nashock lang ako kasi battery siya. Battery operated. Meron siyang battery dito. Ito siya. Ito yung microphone mismo. And ito yung end. Right now, I'm using the Rode Video Micro na microphone. I will be switching it over with the lapel. Lalagyan ko na lang ng tatanggalin ko muna yon, and then i-test natin. Mic test 1, 2, 3. So, ito sa yung Rode. Malayo sa akin yung Rode Video Micro. Mic test 1, 2, 3. Mic test 1, 2, 3. And then, let's switch to Boya. Okay guys, so kinonek ko siya sa Boya, and then i-clip natin kasi meron siyang clip dito. I don't know if naririnig nyo ako. Meron pala siyang guys, itong camera, parang mode, camera, and then off para sa smartphone. So, mic test 1, 2, 3, mic test 1, 2, 3, DJ Kadze. So, nilalapit ko siya para maano yung frequency niya, no? Or maririnig nyo yung difference. And then right now, ilalagay ko siya dito as a clip. Ganyan. Yan. Nandito na siya sa aking dev. Okay. Yan na siya. Ang cute, no? So, I hope you're going to hear me, no? Baka naman magyaw-yaw ko diri dyan, hindi nyo marinig. So, yan na guys. Mic test 1, 2, 3. Right now, hindi ko matetest ang noise cancellation effects niya, pero wala naman silang claim na noise cancellation. Okay. Ano lang, foam windscreen. Hindi siya nag-claim na noise cancelling siya. I don't know if talagang noise cancelling siya. I remember I did a review just like this mga 2 years ago, and ang dami-daming nagre-request nun na what's the how much and where can I buy it. It was super cheap and it was very, very useful. I bought it in another website. This one, I bought this from SHOPPEE, and ilalagay ko na lang yung link down below. The difference of this and the last one that I did review is that the price difference, I guess 300 plus or yeah, 300 plus. But then this one, hopefully the video of the audio quality of this omnidirectional Boya lavalier microphone micro credit will be good, kasi naman para hindi masayang ang ating pera. Okay, so if you're planning to purchase this one, I will be placing in the link in the description box. By the way guys, this is not a sponsored video, so but then if you're going to buy one, meron din tayong makukuhang commission. So help na naman to dyan sa aking channel. And by the way guys, if you're I'm also on Patreon. If you're going to sponsor, if you want to help me create more videos, I would be happy to accept it. And I have my PayPal link on the description box if you want to check it out. And sabihin nyo lang yung request mo and I will do it. Okay? So, yan na guys. I hope na naririnig nyo ako nito, no? So, nag-mic test na tayo na ganito. Sige, ano natin? Try natin to. If maririnig nyo. Ito, ano to guys? Facial cleanser. I don't know if maririnig nyo pa rin ako kahit merong facial cleanser na nagba-vibrate. So, napipick up niya ba talaga yung voice ko? Or, the more nang napipick up yung ingay ng aking facial cleanser. So, let's see. Hello, mic test. Mic test, 1, 2, 3. Mic test, mic test, 1, 2, 3. Mic test, 1, 2, 3. Mic test, 1, 2, 3. Off na. Ang ingay. Mic test, 1, 2, 3. So, I will try to sing. Chicken wing, hot dog and bologna, chicken and macaroni, chillin' with my homie. Hindi ko alam ang lyrics, pero tinatry kong mag-sing para matest yung microphone. Okay? Walang nega. And then guys, by the way guys, shall I sing another song? Ano nangyayari sa akin? Gusto ko nang matulog yata. Okay guys, so ito na siya. And unfortunately, hindi ko siya matest sa aking smartphone kasi Type-C yung smartphone ko, besh. Hindi siya yung 3.5 jack. Okay, sana naririnig nyo to. So, I hope kayo na ang mag-judge, guys. I don't know, hindi ko pa rin alam kung ano mangyayari sa review na to. But then, mag-judge kayo. Comment down below kung ano ang mas clear. Okay? After ko na to mapakinggan eh. So, thank you so much for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed the video. I hope you enjoyed the mic testing. And, if you're planning to purchase this one, alam nyo na kung anong gagawin. Okay? So, bye-bye for now. See you soon in the next video. Sarang I upload videos Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. So, stay tuned. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Bye-bye for now. Sarang